Good morning, students. This is Madhuri, your computer teacher from California Public School. Yes, class 7th. Today date is 10 September 2020 and we are going to start our next chapter, that is lesson number 7, database and DBMS and introduction. Database and DBMS and introduction. So here, what is a database? Database is a place where the data is stored. Yes, it is a place where we can store any type of information or data. So what is DBMS? DBMS, what is the full form of DBMS? Full form is Database Management System. Database Management System. So DBMS is a software, and with the help of this software we can access data from the database. So let's begin reading of this chapter. A database is an organized collection of data. It helps us to enter, manage, access and analyze a large amount of information quickly and efficiently. Yes, a database is an systematic collection of data. इसमें क्या है, सिस्टमेटिक वे में हम डेटा को स्टोर करेंगे एंड इट हेल्प अस टू एंटर, मैनेज, एक्सेस एंड एनालाइज a large amount of information quickly and efficiently. And in this database, quickly and efficiently we can enter the data, we can manage it, we can access it and we can also analyze it. So let's read this example. Unknowingly, we all use database in our daily life. We maintain our personal address diaries wherein the record addresses and the telephone numbers of our friends. We maintain the information alphabetically so that whenever any information is needed, we could browse and extract the information quickly. From time to time, we keep on adding new addresses and also update the contact numbers and postal addresses of our friends if there is any change. All these operations that we perform, like adding, updating, sorting, editing, deleting, etc., are the functions of database. Means हम अपनी डेली लाइफ में इफ़ वी वॉन्ट टू स्टोर अवर इंफॉर्मेशन देन we can use any type of storage place. For example, if we want to store phone numbers of our friends or relatives, then we will use phone number diaries we can make. So phone number diary is a storage place to store contact of our friends and relatives. So same like that, one example is library. So what is library? A library is a place. Yes, what is a library? A library is also a place where all books, all types of and all categories of books we can store. So here, what is a library? Library is a database and books are the data that is stored in the database. Yes, so other examples of databases are telephone diary, we can use dictionary, maintaining a list of students and their addresses, keeping their records pertaining to academic and co-curricular activities, list of groceries in a grocery store, catalog in a library, list of customers in a bank, maintaining employees information in offices and organizations, etc., are the examples of different types of database. So these are all examples of database where user can store any type of information. So it is very difficult to maintain a database manually when there are hundreds and thousands of users and records, and the chances of committing errors increase. So a DBMS, database management system, is a computerized record keeping system that help you to create, store, modify and extract information from a database. So with the help of DBMS, with the help of this software, we can create, store, modify and take information from the database. So now we are going to discuss types of database. So there are mainly two types of database. First one is flat file database and second one is relational database. So what is flat file database? A flat file database refers to the data files that contain records which have a small and fixed number of fields and without any structured relationship. Yes, in this type of database, देयर आर ओनली फिक्स्ड नंबर ऑफ फील्ड्स. कुछ फिक्स नंबर ऑफ फील्ड्स से यूजर क्रिएट कर सकते हैं एंड यूज कर सकते हैं, एंड विदाउट एनी स्ट्रक्चर्ड रिलेशनशिप. हम रिलेशनशिप नहीं बना सकते बिटवीन द रिकॉर्ड्स. सो एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दिस फ्लैट फाइल डेटाबेस इज माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल. यस, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल में क्या है, वो कुछ अमाउंट तक रोज एंड कॉलम्स हमें प्रोवाइड करता है एंड वी कांट चेंज. So next one is relational database. A relational database stores the data in a several tables and links those tables together to get a common piece of information. So in this relational database we will use tables. So inside the table there will be rows and columns, and inside that rows and columns we can store data. Example of these relational databases: Microsoft Access, Microsoft SQL and Oracle. These are the names of the software of relational database. So now next one is structure of database. Structure of database means inside the database how we will store our data. Yes, now we are going to discuss the structure of database. कैसा होगा हमारा database? How we can store information in the database? Yes, a database contain a specific structure to store data. Let us study some basic terminologies used in database that will help us in getting acquainted with the functioning of a DBMS. So first one is tables. Yes, inside the database we will use tables to store the data. So what are the tables? Tables are the building blocks of a database. They store the complete information or data in a structured manner, that is in the form of rows and columns. So every table has a finite number of rows and columns. हर एक टेबल में क्या होगी? finite number of rows and columns होंगी. Yes, finite means things that we can count. So now next one is elements of a table. Means in the database there is table, and inside the table there are rows and columns. So now we are going to discuss structure of a table, that is element of a table. So first one is field. So all the columns in the table are called fields. जितनी भी columns होती हैं, that one is called field. Next one is records. The rows in a table are called records. Yes, horizontal line जो होती हैं, that is called records. You can see here one table is given, this one full is table, and inside the table there are rows and columns. Yes, these are columns and these are rows. Vertical lines are called columns and horizontal lines are called rows. So these columns are also called fields. What is the other name of column? Fields. And what is the other name of rows? Rows are called records. So here roll number, father name, subject English, maths and Hindi. These are all fields. So inside the field you can see here 1 Sandeep, marks are written. Roll number 2 Nitin, marks are written. And roll number 3 father name Dipti. And after this marks are written. So these are all records. So here what is the data? Data is like 89. This is also data. 80 is also data. Nitin is also data. 2 is also data. Yes, so जो भी data हम rows and columns के inside लिखते हैं, that is called data. Yes. So now next one is queries. So what are the queries? Queries we will use to access the data from the database. Yes, अगर हमने particular information access करनी है from the table, then we will use queries. Next one is forms. What is the form? Form is the place where we can fill the information. Yes, form is the place, is the interface where user can fill information. Next one is reports. So what are the reports? Reports are used to display the selected data in a printable format. Yes, if we want to select some amount of data from the table and we want to print it, then that is called reports. So that's all for today. Take care students. Bye bye.